Good morning, students. This is video number 16, part 1, and this is a revision of chapter 3, that is force and pressure. So I have prepared some questions for you which you can do of your own from inside the book, which will help you to score very good marks in the first term exams. The first question is fill in the blanks. 1 kgf is equal to dash Newton. 1 Newton meter is equal to dash 9 centimeter. 1 kgf meter is equal to dash Newton meter. 1 gf centimeter is equal to dash 9 centimeter. 1 atmosphere is equal to dash Pascal, and 1 atm, that is atmosphere, that is equal to dash mm of mercury, millimeter of mercury. So students, it means that you have to learn the values of this. It doesn't mean that if I have given it in the fill in the blanks, the same question you will get in the term exam, first terminal exams. They can change the type of questions. So ultimately, my purpose is you must learn the values of all this along with these units like kgf, Newton meter, kg, f meter, gram force meter, atm, adm, and all these things you have to learn, so that there should not be any chances of deduction of marks. Now the next question, that is question number 2. It is, what is the popular unit of pressure? Then the third question is, does the mass of the body changes when a force is applied on the body? Now the fourth question is, what is the SI unit of moment of force? Then what are the factors on which pressure of a liquid depends? Now the sixth question is, what is thrust causes by the atmosphere of the surface area on earth? It means in this question you have to write the value only, numerical value you have to write here. Now the next is, how much thrust acts on us by the atmosphere? Again you have to write the value. The next question is, define 1 Pascal. Now the ninth question is, mathematically moment of force is equal to, it means in this you have to write the formula. And the last question which I have prepared for you, against which name of the scientist the unit of force is named? It means you have to write the name of the scientist. Once again students, you can go through these questions. And then from here, second, pressure. Then the third question, changes when a force is applied on a body. Now the fourth question, what is the SI unit of moment of force? Then the fifth question, what are the factors on which pressure of a liquid depends? Then what is the thrust causes by the atmosphere of the surface area on earth? Now the seventh question is, how much thrust acts on us by the atmosphere? Eighth question is, define 1 Pascal. Ninth question is mathematically moment of force is equal to dash, then against which name of the scientist the unit of force is named. So you can do all these questions of your own and learn all these questions. Now students, let us revise this chapter. Students, we know that what is moment of force. Moment of force. So this is equal to F into R. This is the formula. For magnitude of the force, F, what is F here? This is the magnitude of force. And R, this is the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. So this is the formula, and that is why its unit is force Newton, and perpendicular distance means meter. Newton meter is the unit of moment of force. This is the formula, magnitude of force into perpendicular distance. The SI unit of force is Newton and the distance is Newton meter. Therefore, the SI unit of moment of force is Newton meter. Then next, we know that pressure is equal to thrust upon area. Pressure is equal to thrust upon area. This is pressure thrust upon area, and some examples are given in the book. Let us discuss this. A brick of mass 3 kg and dimensions this, lying on a floor on its side 22 centimeter into 11 centimeter. So first of all, brick of mass 3 kg, it means thrust means mass of 3 kg will exert a thrust on the dimension of this. So we can find the pressure 3 upon this. Area is this only, na? So you see to it here they have done 3 kg upon 22 into 11 into 10 to the power minus 4. It is on the floor. Answer is 124 pascals. Like this they have done 389.6 pascals. This point you can note down. Thrust and pressure should not be confused. These are two different physical terms. अलग-अलग terms हैं. Now let us solve some numericals. These numericals. These are the important numericals. Ram opens 1 meter wide window by a minimum force of this. What is the moment of force needed to open? Now just see to it. I am just doing the example only. At page number 48 it is given. It means Ram opens a 1 meter wide window. It means what is the perpendicular distance. So first of all you can write here given. You can write given. Perpendicular distance is given. You can take R or you can take D. ठीक है जा. Either you can take R or you can take D. So here we have taken R. So you can take R, or in the book it is given D, or you can take D, doesn't matter. So R is given, this is 1 meter, and minimum force is given, that is 2.0 Newton. So force is given, that is 2.0 Newton. Now you have to find the moment of force. Moment of force. What is the formula? F into R. F it is given, this is 2 into 1, means this is equal to 2 Newton meter. This is the SI unit of moment of force. Just now we have done. Newton meter is the SI unit of force. Like this. The next question we can do. A brick weighs 100 Newton and base area 1 meter square is placed on the tabletop. Calculate the pressure exerted on the tabletop. Formula: pressure is equal to thrust upon area. So thrust, as I said, that thrust is a force only. Is that clear? Thrust is a force only which acts normally on the surface of the body. So this is a force. So given, what is given? Given it is written a brick weighs 100 Newton. So the unit of weight and force is same, that is Newton. Then once again, student, just listen to me very carefully. The unit of force and weight is same, that is Newton only. So we can take here force is given, force is given, that is 100 Newton, and the area is given, that is 1 meter square. Area is given, that is 1 meter square, and pressure we have to find. So pressure is equal to force upon area, and this is equal to 100 Newton upon 1 meter square. Newton per meter square, that is equal to 100 Pascal. So this is the answer. Clear? So like this we can solve the next question. Find the moment of force 3 Newton applied on a stone distension. Again the formula is used, F into D, and we can solve. Just see to it, it is given in centimeter. So we have to convert it into meter. So 10 centimeter means, as we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 10 centimeter will be equal to 10 upon 100 meter. This and this get cancelled. 1 upon 10 means 0.1 meter. Got it? Once again you can go through it. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 10 centimeter will be equal to 10 upon 100, and it is 0.1 meter. So just see to it, note down this is very important point, students. So the numerical may be given to you, you must check the SI units. Means it should be in SI system, it should be in meter. If it is given in centimeter, you have to convert it into meter. Otherwise, if you will write it 10 into 330 Newton centimeter, it will be wrong answer, because the unit of moment of force is Newton meter. So you have to convert centimeter into meter first. So don't forget it. This is one of the important point. Now the next is, a spanner opens a bolt by applying a force of 100 Newton. Length of the spanner is 10 centimeter. If force is reduced to 50 Newton, what should be the length of the spanner? Now this is you can say that this two question is there. First of all, this and this. Moment of force 100 Newton. The length of the spanner is 10 centimeter. If the force is, what should be the length? Again, I think some problem is there in this numerical. Here it is written 0.8, then it should be 20. Instead of 10, it should be 20 centimeter. Only then it will be 0.2. Clear? 20 centimeter. You just convert 20 centimeter into meter, you will get 0.2 meter. So in first case 100 into 0.2 meter. In second case 50 into 0.2 meter. So this will be the answer only. So next, the moment of force. Here it is given 20 Newton. About a pivoted point is this. Student, this is important example. Just note on it. Just see what is given. Here it is given the moment of force of 20 Newton. So 20 Newton जो है, Newton is the unit of force. So what is given first of all? Note down this. Given, that is force. It is 20 Newton. Since Newton is the SI unit of force, that is why 20 जो है, that is the force. Then it is written about a pivot is 20 Newton meter. 20 Newton meter means it is the moment of force, because moment of force, it is 20 Newton meter, because 20 Newton meter जो है, it is the SI unit. Newton meter is the SI unit of moment of force. So that is why I have taken it moment of force is equal to 20 Newton meter. Since here it is written Newton, so Newton is the SI unit of force. That is why I have taken it force. Here it is written Newton meter. That is why I have taken it a moment of force. Now again, moment of force, that is equal to F into D. The distance we have to find. So distance will be equal to moment of force upon force. So it's very simple. It is 20 Newton meter divided by 20 Newton. 20 get cancelled, Newton get cancelled. The answer is 1 meter. So whatever the points I have told you or I have discussed with you, you must note down it, and accordingly you prepared yourself. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. In the next video we will discuss the next chapter, that is 4th chapter. So thank you very much.